Good afternoon, my name's Hippie Swift and today we're going to be taking a close look at the roswheel pannier bag set, if my bike don't fall over. Attached to the handlebars you have this roswheel handlebar bag, and this would hold everything of mine like phone, wallet, passport, that type of thing, just to keep everything nice and dry. How the front bag's held on, it's just with a little 3mm Allen key wrench here. You just simply undo there's a bar that goes underneath here to stop it wobbling up and down. In this case the bag itself is resting on my front rack, so it's not under pressure at all. How this actually comes off is a button push system. It just comes off nice and easily and goes on just as easily, resting nicely on my front rack. On the rear rack on the top you have this is a 9 litre I believe little bag. It just simply unrolls and rolls up. How you do these up are just with little clips that loop around your actual rear rack themselves. There's lots of little and large reflective patches all over this bike and all the panniers themselves, which help maintain your safety all out on the road. The panniers on the rear of the bike are around 15 to 18 litres each. The ones on the front are about 14 litres. These aren't actually clips, they're simple drawstring method with one of these flat cords. Again, this opens right out, rolling up and down as you will, with a nice waterproof and rip stop materials. You simply roll them down, do the straps up, and there you go, nice and waterproof. Just another reminder of all of the reflective strips right around the bike, which is the same material as the jacket I normally wear, and this reflective material does a really good job. One of my favourite bits about these bags is you can have a pull string method, so it just comes straight unclipped with these nice little handy clips here. You pull the string and it undoes, so it's a nice secure way to stop your bags popping off the bike. The only downfall with these bags is I've found it don't fit on my rack. I've got this bar here which attaches to the front brake calipers in case I didn't have a bolt hole here. On the rack itself that was the right size, so I got one of these racks, and this clip in the middle here doesn't actually clip on properly because it can't get over, or long enough, sorry, over this flat mount here. To get around this problem, simply buy a cheaper rack than this with just the top rail, and then that'll sit nicely on like that. Another great feature of the front and rear bags is an adjustable slider like most panniers have down the bottom here. It's nice and handy for getting all the positions you could possibly want to keep them secure on the bike. Plus, not forgetting, in all the panniers and front bag and everything, there's a nice small pocket, slightly bigger pocket on the rear, and yeah, very nice waterproof material. If you like the look of this roswheel pannier set, then links are in the description box below this video. If you like my adventures and would like to see more bike packing, bicycle touring and wild camping adventures, subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that bell notification icon next to my subscribe button to be updated every time I release a video. If you'd like to see more adventures and hints, tips and reviews, click one of the links down this side of the page. I prefer the bicycle touring one at the top. Go hit that one up the top. Brilliant job. Till next time, stay safe and hope you find peace. Right, let's get on the road.